So I've already taken off my ponytail. I've taken off my ponytail and I was like, I'm not putting it back on to like record. Like I'm not doing that. But I forgot to show y'all my merch that I got and my new pleasers that I got too with my starter kit. Hold on, let me try to position this camera. I had to get the tripod because I was like, hold on. Ooh, not a tear. Okay, so my pleasers. My I don't have any like anything going on because I know my eyes look red, especially this one. I think it's my sunscreen. I'm doing like, you know, when I do my skincare, I use a lot of like, you know, a lot of treatments and stuff, and you have to wear sunscreen during the day. And I brought this like spray sunscreen that I can just reapply while I'm at work. And I think it irritates my eyes, and that's what's happening right now. So I don't have like anything going on medically. It's just my eyes are irritated. I just had to clarify that because I know that probably looks weird. All right. And that's the microwave because I'm heating up my leftovers from a meal prep. All right. So my pleasers. These are my first pair of pleasers. I got my shoe size, and at first they felt like they would have been too small, but then I put on another size bigger and they were too big. And then she told me that like your feet will like expand in them, and like they'll start to like adjust to your feet more. They'll feel tight at first, essentially is what she said. So yeah, these is the first. And then there's also Sage's feeder. I'm just calling out all the random noises. Yes, my pleasers, aren't they cute? I was like, I wish I could like put something on the inside of them, like something really cute on the inside. But yeah, I think they're super cute. I don't know if I still got the tissue in them. I guess I should I do a try on? Not right now. I'm gonna walk around in them and like get comfortable, and then I'll do like put them on camera. Cause y'all will not you will not catch me slipping. Literally, I need to practice in these because these are pretty high. But aren't they so cunty? These are so cute. I'm like, I could wear these on like a regular day. Okay, I'm just so excited. Oh yeah, and then I also got like, wait, here's this cute little, now Sage is playing. He finds anything to play with. This little sticker came with it too. Super cute. So yeah, the pleasers, and then I just got like a tank too. I get it. And this is my tank. Fuck around and find out. So yeah, I'm excited. I think I'm definitely gonna wear something that like the next time around. Side note before I end this video, although this was like sexy in a sense, you know what I mean, it's sexy because I got my boobs out, you know what I mean, and it's halter style. I want to feel more comfortable, especially like with not my boobs falling out. Now mind you, it's all women in the class, so it's like, girl, we all know what it is. So I could feel, even if that were to happen, I wouldn't be like I'd just be like, we're women, like, child. But I think I'm gonna wear something definitely more comfortable. I think I know starting tomorrow I'll just start like practicing like walking in the heels. I might put them on tonight and just walk around in them. But yeah, that's just my little mini haul. This video has been long enough, and I will see you all in the next video of my poll series. Bye.
We found Trey at the trade center, honey, and he was armed and dangerous. Let me tell you.